Quinoa Khichadi today. So khichdi is usually made with rice and lentils, but we tried it with quinoa. Now quinoa is a very popular superfood and everybody thinks it as a whole grain, but it is actually a seed. It is loaded with fiber and antioxidants. It has a lot of antioxidants. It also is rich in protein. It is source of complete protein because it has all 9 essential amino acids, which is a great news for vegetarians and vegans. Now it is also rich in minerals and vitamins. So it has minerals like manganese, magnesium, phosphorus, iron and zinc. It has vitamins like vitamin B1, B2 and B6, and also vitamin C and E. Now it has a lot of health benefits. It is used as in weight loss because it keeps you full for longer, since it has fiber as well, and it is good source of carbs as well, good kind of carbs, and also it is energy dense, so it gives you a lot of energy. There are many benefits which I can't cover all of those, but please eat quinoa. Now in this recipe today we made it with mixed lentils. You can always go ahead and use it only with the red lentil, whichever is available to you. You can mix and match and use other veggies, so you can add cauliflower or you can add cabbage to the khichdi as well. So please try this recipe and don't forget to leave comments, and if you need any of the help regarding the recipe, keep in touch. Thank you.